Genetic factors have long fascinated scientists in the study of longevity because they provide a window into why some families and populations seem to live significantly longer than others. It is true that certain genes influence how the body handles stress, repairs DNA, or resists age-related diseases, and people with favorable variations may have an advantage when it comes to reaching advanced age. But perhaps the most inspiring message from this research is that genes are not destiny. While they set the stage, lifestyle choices often determine how the play unfolds. In fact, many studies suggest that while genetics may account for around 20 to 30% of lifespan, the majority is shaped by environment, habits, and daily decisions. This realization is deeply empowering because it means that regardless of our genetic inheritance, we all have the ability to influence our health span and create a future of vitality and resilience. One of the most positive findings in this area is that healthy behaviors can often switch on beneficial genes and silence harmful ones through processes known as epigenetics. Nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management all interact with gene expression, essentially shaping how our DNA instructions are read and carried out. For example, people who follow balanced diets rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids may activate genes that protect against inflammation and cellular damage. Similarly, regular physical activity has been shown to influence genes related to metabolism and cardiovascular health, while stress reduction practices like meditation can affect genes involved in immune function. This dynamic interaction between lifestyle and genetics reminds us that we are not passive carriers of DNA, but active participants in how our biology is expressed. Research on long-lived families provides further encouragement. While centenarians often have genetic traits that support longevity, they also tend to live lives marked by moderation, movement, and strong community ties. This combination suggests that genes may create the potential for long life, but environment and habits help unlock it. For people without those genetic advantages, adopting healthy lifestyle patterns can still deliver many of the same benefits, closing much of the gap. This is why scientists often emphasize health span, the years of life lived in good health, over simple lifespan. Even if genetics do not guarantee extreme longevity, lifestyle can dramatically improve the quality of the years we do have, allowing us to age with strength, clarity, and independence. Another uplifting aspect of this research is the diversity of genetic pathways to longevity, which suggests that there is no single formula for aging well. Some individuals may be protected by genes that reduce their risk of heart disease, others by genes that preserve cognitive function or enhance resilience to stress. This variety points to the idea that there are multiple ways to achieve long life, and when combined with supportive lifestyle habits, the odds become even better. It also highlights the importance of personalization in longevity science. Understanding one's unique genetic tendencies can guide choices about diet, activity, and medical care in ways that optimize health for each individual. This tailored approach makes the pursuit of longevity feel not only possible, but also adaptable to different lives and preferences. What makes the story of genetics and longevity especially hopeful is how it reframes aging as something we can actively shape rather than passively endure. Our DNA may set certain parameters, but within those boundaries lies a vast field of opportunity for choice. Eating nourishing foods, staying active, sleeping well, managing stress, and cultivating social bonds all have the power to influence how our genes are expressed and how gracefully we age. This creates a vision of aging that is not about surrendering to biology, but about collaborating with it, guiding it gently toward outcomes that support vitality and joy. Ultimately, the role of genetics in longevity offers reassurance rather than limitation. It reassures those with a family history of disease that they are not doomed to the same fate, and it reassures those without a history of long-lived relatives that they still have immense influence over their own future. Genes may provide the blueprint, but lifestyle builds the structure, fills the rooms with light, and determines how comfortable and enduring that home will be. This balance between inheritance and choice is profoundly empowering because it shows that the pursuit of a long and healthy life is not locked away in our DNA. It is something we can nurture each day through the way we live, love, and care for ourselves.